In this video, we are going to be showing you how to create a smooth slow motion effect in Premiere Pro. To create a slow motion effect in Premiere Pro, we will be using the time remapping feature. This allows you to change the speed of a clip without affecting its pitch. First, you will need to select the clip that you want to apply the slow motion effect to. Next, right-click on the clip and select Speed Duration. This will bring up the time remapping controls. Now set the clip speed to 50% and drop down this little menu and select Optical Flow. Hit OK. Now if I play this clip, you can see that it's slowed down, but it's not too smooth. To smooth it, just select the clip and hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, Premiere Pro will render this clip. Now you can see that the red line on the top of that clip turned into green line. Now you can see that the clip is very smooth. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Premiere Pro tutorials and leave a comment below if you have any questions.